everyone, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 17. I have been up and about for quite some time. I've been catching up on editing Vlogmas, but what you don't know is last night I didn't film it, but my car was acting up and I didn't want to vlog the stress of that. The last time I did, I almost had a breakdown on camera, so I wasn't going to film that. So today I waited for my dad. I called him and he told me to go to get it looked at, and they looked at it for me, and thankfully it was just, there was the coolant was very low, so my car was overheating. So I just got it done. It's fixed. I just drove it around town and I think it's good. There's a table in front of me, knock on wood that it's okay, but poor thing. It did make me realize that I probably should look into a new car in the new year. This one was just kindly loaned to me by my uncle. He was very nice to let me use this car. I've paid for the insurance, the registration, stuff like that, but he's let me use this car. And it's like my little baby, and taking it in today and getting her poked and prodded, I'm like, oh, poor thing. But it was just a coolant problem. It's not overheating. Knock on wood. It's okay. So I can drive it to church, because yesterday, what you didn't know is on the way to church, I had to turn it off at a long stoplight. And then on the way home last night, I had to stop 3 times to cool it down, because it was overheating and it was in the red. So I drove it around today and it's fine. So yeah, I didn't want to document that, but I'll tell you about it now that everything is over. So for now, I'm just going to finish editing my Vlogmas video. I'm still working on day 11. Day 11 is going to take me forever because it was over an hour long. And I'm cutting it down, and then at 4:30 I'm going to take a shower, and then I go to Simbang Gabi again tonight. So those are today's plans. I just got a text from my bestie, and this is my reaction. My iPad is in front of me and it started to ding. I love my bestie. I love when we text each other. Okay, now I can get on with my day and text her back, because she's probably freaking out. So I am all ready to go to church now. I have this cute sweater. I call it my Scooby-Doo sweater because I wore it as part of my Scooby-Doo costume back in 2020, because we didn't really do much back in that year. So I have a velvet bow that's a pretty similar color, my bag, and just some black jeans and my black over the knee boots. So that is a little outfit of the day. My room's really dark, so you can't really see in there, so I thought I do it out here. I took a shower, curled my hair all nicely, so it's falling pretty good because it's freshly curled. So there we go. I didn't put on any makeup, but I did apply moisturizer and lip balm because my skin has not been agreeing with me lately since I've been wearing makeup so much and the weather is so dry. My skin has been peeling and it's not the greatest, so I'm giving it a break and just applying moisturizer 2 times a day. So of course I'm going to be running late if I talk to you any further, so let's head on out to church and go to Simbang Gabi night 2. I made it to church, but my car is still acting up, so I probably have to take it to another repair shop. I don't know what's wrong with it, why it's overheating. It just started overheating right when I was getting here, so this is gonna be fun driving it home again. I thought the issue was fixed. I thought it just needed coolant, but I guess not. But I'm gonna grab my coat and my bag and then head into church. I have my bestie's parents, I think, saving me a seat today instead of me saving them a seat. So yeah, the parking lot was crazy again today, but managed to find parking. drove back home, and for some reason my car was fine the whole drive back, so I got to enjoy the Christmas lights. I saw them yesterday, but I was freaking out over my car, so I couldn't like really enjoy and stuff. So at least I got to drive by them tonight. For now, I just needed to get the car home, and it's not acting up. Knock on wood. I don't have wood in here, but I don't know. Earlier, just as I was arriving to the church is when it was like starting to like heat up, and then it was fine, and then now it's fine. I don't hear anything in the engine. I don't know. I'm gonna talk to my dad. I don't know what's wrong with it. I hope there's nothing wrong with it. You know, I think it's just processing, you know, like it's having like a little like day, you know. But I'm gonna head inside. I'm going to FaceTime Bestie. I love that we see each other and then we go home and recap our day with each other. So let's go inside. And I think my dad's still asleep because he goes to church at 3 o'clock in the morning, and then he stays up until like 7 o'clock, and then he like naps, and it's now like 1:16 in the afternoon over there. So let's go inside, and I'm gonna go the back way to my apartment because I left my Christmas lights on so we can see them. Getting to pass the back way so I can see my lights, because I hardly pass this way because usually when I get home they're not on yet, but I left them on. So let's head inside. Then getting to come home to all the festive lights. I just love that. I love when my apartment's all Christmassy and cute.
Here we go. Advent calendar day 17. Let's see what we got. Oh, looks like a shoe. Shoe. There it is, the shoe. Okay, let me get it out. There we go. Tastes good. Okay, here it is, day 17, almost over with here. Jacqueline's got to do her part, and Advent calendar time. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
It's Advent calendar time, and we are gonna do day 17, and mine is right here. Let's open it up. Ooh, mine's a circle. Oh, it's a wreath with a bow. Oh, cute, cute. Okay. Cheers. Cheers. And that is it for our Advent calendar. We'll see you again tomorrow for day 18. Bye! Good morning everyone, and happy Vlogmas day 18. I am up pretty early because I kind of want to have a reset day where I just reset everything. I have so many things that I have to catch up on, like editing my Vlogmas videos, tidying my apartment, doing laundry. So that is what today's vlog is going to be consisting of. So I think I'm going to combine day 17 yesterday because I don't think I vlogged much, and then today for the 18th. So I should get out of bed. My first task that I want to do is edit Vlogmas day 12. I think that is the number that I'm on, and then we'll see from there what I get up to. So I managed to get Vlogmas day 12 live, and then I just have to do some admin and put all the footage from my iPhone to the MacBook. So I have all the folders up until today, the 18th. So I'm going to open a new file and then upload or edit Vlogmas day 13, which is one of my favorite days, so I can't wait to do this. But first, I'm hungry. Honestly, I think I'm gonna have a grilled cheese again for lunch. I had one yesterday, so I'll just show you the finished product. Here we are, my grilled cheese as well as my chocolate melt. So this is lunch for the day because it's already 1:22. So I am going to enjoy my grilled cheese while I edit. So that's pretty much my plans right now. So I'm done with lunch and I sorted all of my clothes. I have my basket of whites, I have 2 loads of coloreds, and then I have maybe 2 loads of my bed sheet and like the couch covers. So let's see how long this is going to take me, and if there's anyone in the laundry room, I can directly see it from my sliding door window, whatever you call it. Wish me luck that I can do this. Also, I need to get out of and change out of my pajamas. And I managed to do all 5 loads. That's great. I have my jeans and leggings here, pajamas and other tops, a load of whites, my bed sheets, and my comforter. So all of those are good. I can finally relax until these are over and then come back and like sort out to the dryer section. Honestly, my Thursday reset is doing amazing. That's why I do my laundry on Thursdays, because the machines aren't that full and it's 2:21 in the afternoon. So most people are at work, so I'm lucky that I'm off. So I'm gonna take this back into my apartment and wait 40 minutes for my machines to get them. So I've been folding my laundry that was in my hamper before, because I just have nowhere to put my clothes. I have so many clothes and there's like tons in front of me. It's all folded now. I just have to put them in the drawers. But it turns out I took too long. Now that my I really need to sneeze. Sorry about that. Laundry detergent does not go well with my nose. I always sneeze when I smell the stuff. So like my nose feels very weird right now. As I was saying, I folded everything, took too long, that now my laundry is needing to be put in the dryer. So I need to move all the clothes from the washing machine to the dryer, and then that's going to take like 90 minutes. I put it on like a 90-minute cycle so it like gets dry, so I don't have to like hang it up. But some of my clothes I'm going to like hang dry in my bathroom. So come on, let's go get my clothes. I did my dryers. I did 4 machines instead of 5 because the other one's out of order, so I just combined, you know, some of my other clothes, because the dryer is bigger than the washing machine for some reason. I'm going to hand or air dry these, so I'm going to take that in, but it's 79 minutes, not 90 minutes for the cycle. So that gives me enough time, because I have to go to church later tonight, so hopefully I can get all the things on my to-do list done. So let's go back to the apartment and hang all these up. And here is my makeshift drying rack. I put it on my shower, whatever, in my shower. So there we go. I have that drying, and it probably takes a day to get it dry. So now I get to put away all these clothes, but I don't want to, but I have to, because if not, I won't have anywhere to sleep. So I'm going to clear all the clothes off of my bed. That is my goal. I took a little bit of a break to just have Lydia's vlogs on in the background while I sort out my clothes, and her getting surprised by her best friend is so fun, because I'm texting my best friend right now and we have a trip coming up, so that is so fun. So yeah, I had to take a break. I just feel like I've done so many things today. Like, I don't even know if I've vlogged enough. But yeah, I'm done with all my clothes now. That is good. And now I just have to finish editing Vlogmas Day 13. I have it all set up. I just need to go through and edit it. I really want to do it because it's like my favorite day so far. Once I finish it, it'll be over. You know, it's one of those things where I'm putting it off and I'm doing other stuff to procrastinate. So yeah, it's my bestie day, and I remember just having so much fun on that day, you know. My laundry is all done. I folded most of it, so the ones that I need I'll put away, and then whatever's left, I leave inside there. So let me go put this in my apartment, and we're done with laundry for the day. I finished the laundry. I cleaned up my living room a little bit, and now you can see I am all dressed, ready to go, because I am going to the 3rd night of Simbang Gabi. So since you've seen me all day looking a mess, at least I look pretty decent now. So I have my bag ready to go, my cute little outfit, and I am gonna head off. I'm heading out early so I can meet up with my bestie's parents, so I can save them a seat, because it is really crowded in the church. So yeah, let's get going. done with Mass, I took my little like refreshment dinner to go so I can just head home. I think Bestie already left today. She's not feeling well, I think. And as you can see, I am home now. I changed back into my comfy t-shirt. So I'm just gonna wear this for the evening instead of the fancy outfit that I just got out of. And I think I'm gonna text my bestie, ask if she wants to FaceTime since I didn't get to see her at church today. So yeah, those are my evening plans. I'm gonna see if my dad wants me to call him now or probably a little bit later. So that's my evening plans. Oh, and I'm also going to have the soup that I brought home. So yay for dinner.
No, how are you? And then I answered the question.
Here we go. Advent calendar day 18. Okay, let's see what, here's 18. I don't know what it is. There we go. I don't know, it looks like I don't know, there's a good picture of it. Get it at the right place. Looks like I think a teddy bear. Okay, that's it for day 18th. We'll see you tomorrow, Advent Calendar Day. Bye-bye.
It's Advent calendar time and we're gonna do day 18. And my 18 is right next to my 17 on Mr. Gingerbread Man's face. Okay. It's Santa's sack. Huh? Cheers. And that is it for Advent Calendar Day 18. We'll see you again tomorrow for Day 19. Bye!
Bye-bye.